Hey,
Thinking out the box from where I stay.
today I want to show you how to create letter shapes in the style at Microsoft. I think I'm not too supposed to wear this.
Just cause
Wait, I pay for it.
if one thing I know, I fall but I grow. I'm walking down this road of mine, this road that I go home. So am I wrong?
Alright, let's begin.
Thinking that we could be something.
Back to back, a from letter in the style is basically a from semi-block style. Had a typing email address written on the left side, while typing of the contents of the letter is in every paragraph. Invert button paste, or you can using button tab. Well, on in the style, the difference is found in the writing is company name, address, and the city that was written as a form of the stairs. For example,
My prediction.
okay, I'll be typing the name of the company until the city in the form of indented style with a letter that I have been meant.
Would you just
First, click enter to bring space, and maybe I fill it with the school name.
compare? You know, don't worry, you're not alone. That's just how we feel. Am I wrong? Am I wrong for thinking that we could be something for real? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, now
Okay,
am I wrong?
turn off chat locks
Things that I can't see.
and click enter to new space,
That's just how I feel.
and click tab,
That's just how I feel.
just one,
Trying to reach
to make it like the stairs, and in the middle
you. Tell me I'm wrong.
of the address.
I don't wanna be right, right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong. I don't wanna be right. If you tell me I'm wrong, wrong. I don't wanna be right.
Click enter
If you tell me
and click double tap 1, 2.
be right.
It already look like the form of the stair, and down to the city.
For real. Now am I wrong for trying to reach
Okay, like that.
that I can't?
So, in essence, a form of a indented style similar to the form of a semi-block style. Only the destination address is different. Okay, I'm Novelto, and until next time, stay creative.
Reach